After my crash course with Eddie, I prepped a screen. I have prepped screens before, just this was more interesting because all the equipment is modified. It's so interesting. It's all in-house and it's been built. It's something to behold. I have no idea how everything was put together, but it's pretty amazing. It's a pretty amazing setup. What makes it so interesting is there is an exposure unit, a drying cabinet, a wet room, all in that space. It's pretty amazing. I must say, I did find it a bit I was nerve-wracking, not nerve-wracking. I was a little bit nervous to start with. I'm just like, I hope I don't break Eddie's equipment, but I think I just got into the flow of things and it's very, very, very daunting, but quite impressed with myself. Didn't know I could pull it off. I'm just like, what? And I think Eddie trusted me way more than I trusted myself because before I started prepping the screen, I remember calling him and he said, you know what, I'm at the end of the phone if you need any help. And he didn't once call to check up on me. I'm just like, wow. This guy trusts me. He thinks I can do this. Therefore, I possibly can. I remember he said, take your time. Don't rush. Just, you've got this. And me thinking at the back of my head, have I really? And yeah, I think that's one thing. It's so easy to forget. Sometimes we rush and make mistakes, but I think taking your time and just going with the flow is such a key when creating, when making, when trying something out. Just trust yourself. I think my biggest fear when using Eddie's equipment is all these power sockets. I am not a big fan of electricity. I mean, of course I love electricity, but I'm not crazy about power sockets. I've got this fear of being electrocuted. Just something. And with Eddie's equipment, everything has to be plugged in, so there are no on-off switches. You just get the plug it into power socket, and half the time I'm just bricking it like, oh my days, another power socket. So prepping this screen on my own is such a big deal for me. I am so happy Eddie trusts me with his equipment, but I am delighted I was able to do it.